It's been a nice change of pace the last couple of days. High temperatures have been around the 50s for most. It was a little bit warmer in the southwest yesterday, but still cooler compared to what we have had really for the start of October. But now we're just going to be seeing a lot of fluctuations here. It is now past the midway point of October, and this should be expected. You can see how we do go up and down. A lot of it has to do with the wind direction, and we also have some extremely strong winds just throughout the forecast in general. Almost every day it's like a 10 to 20 or 15 to 25 mile per hour wind, which means gusts will probably be between 30 and 40 miles per hour every single day. The winds are more so from the south later today and into tomorrow, so 70s should be expected. Even to not tomorrow, Saturday should be fairly mild with the highs in the mid 70s. But once we turn those winds to the northwest, we're cooling right back down. 63 for the high Sunday. South wind Monday, back to the low 70s, and then it looks like the cold really starts to settle in there. Highs near 60. Look at those winds, 15 to 30 on Tuesday. So get used to the winds. What's happening here, the jet stream is pretty much overhead, kind of wobbles up and down. So we're in that battle zone of hot and cold, so to speak, and you get these really pronounced features in the middle of the atmosphere. It's been this big ridge we've had some showers riding over the top of, big low pressure that's closed off to our west, and so that just kind of amplifies everything and strengthens the winds too as we go through the forecast. And it also brings in some chances for rain. We've been seeing it throughout today. We're going to see it returning for Friday and Friday night, and then maybe some lingering showers into Saturday for the first half of the weekend before things finally start to dry out Sunday and into Monday. But as far as Futurecast is concerned, again, warm front is lifting through, so the chance for rain is dropping. We have a little bit more sunshine that will show up and warmer temperatures for today. Low 60s for tonight with partly cloudy skies, and even though we are going to see more clouds and sunshine tomorrow, it's a very strong south wind. We're still in the 70s and 80s for high temperatures as the cold front approaches, and then some showers will pop back up, especially Friday afternoon, and those will just kind of slide to the east as we head towards Saturday morning. So still a fairly wide range today, upper 60s northeast to the low 80s in the south. Tonight, we're basically in the low 60s. Everybody kind of evens out a little bit. And then for tomorrow, looking at the mid 70s to low 80s. So a warm day, that's about 15 degrees above normal. But again, as we get later into the season, the cold air starts to win out. That's why we have highs near 60 for the middle of next week with lows down to the mid 30s.